So yeah, I'm making this video the same day as the other one, but it's so pretty outside. So, suck it up. Okay, so today I'm doing numbers 20 through 40. And then we're gonna learn all the family signs, because everybody gotta know that. Oh, but before we begin, please like and subscribe to this video and hit that notification bell for more updates when the videos come out. Whatever. Okay. Okay. Numbers. Okay, so 20 through 40. 20s are weird, okay? Just forewarning. Okay, so 20. And then 21. Anytime when you're doing like 22, 33, 44, 55, anything like that, you're just going to make the number, do this. So 22. Then 23 is this. Please don't ask me why. I have absolutely no idea. 23. And then it's 24. So 24. L4. 24. 25 is this. Not entirely sure. 25. And then 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. So this is 3 and 0. So 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Bam. No idea why the 30s were easier than the 20s. They should be the same, but okay. So now it is time for the family signs. Okay, these are not that hard, but there's a lot of them. Okay, let us begin with the easy ones. Mom. Mom and grandma. Mom, grandma. So grandma is just pulling it out. Grandma and then mom. Dad up here. Do not do this. It's not the same thing, I don't think. Dad, then grandpa. Grandpa. Yeah, school bus is here. Cool. And then your parents, just both signs together. Parents. Dad, mom. You know, parents. I guess it's the same thing with grandparents. Grandparents. Your mom and dad are husband and wife. So, girl, this. I don't know what that is. Wife. Boy, this. So, husband and wife. Beautiful. Okay, so, I guess girl and boy. Just, yeah, okay. So, aunt and uncle. So aunt is, make an A. You could do this. Aunt. Almost like girl, except aunt is this. To be honest, kind of scratches your chin. Uncle is this, way up here, towards the boy. So it's uncle, uncle, with a U. Cousin. This is gender neutral. It's not girl cousin, it's not boy cousin, it's just cousin. You know, so it's gonna be towards the middle. So it's cousin in the middle. See, cousin. All the girl things are gonna be like below your nose. All the guys are gonna be like above your nose. I really don't know why. Okay, sister. So it's girl. This. These are 2 handguns, which sums up me and my sister. No, I'm kidding. Sister. sister. You do not have to have the handguns, I guess. It could just... No, get you. Yeah. Sister. You know, like right outside. Brother is boy, and then these handguns again. Brother. That really does slow me, my brother. Family. Family. 2 F's. Bam. Nephew. So, as I said, the guy ones are up here. So, like an N, like, but not like this. It's going to be an N like this. So, it's nephew, up here by the head. And then niece is going to be down here. So, and it's the exact same sign. It's just by your jawline instead. Niece and nephew. We're on twins. Yeah. So what happens if you have twins? Oh, make a T. Twins. Twins. That one was actually really simple. Huh. Okay, now here are some signs your family might be using. Like, you know, signs your family would do. Sorry for that. I just need to double check my signs first before I taught you them, because I ain't teaching you wrong signs. That's just not right. Okay, so breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Those are words your mom or your family will be using. So breakfast is morning food. Food. Morning food. Lunch and dinner are much simpler. Lunch is make an L, but right here. You could do it here, I guess, but I think towards the mouth is usually where it is. Lunch. And dinner is make a D. Right there, same spot. Dinner. Dinner, lunch, and morning breakfast. Or morning food. Easy peasy. Now your mom might tell you it's time to do your homework. Yeah, I know. Homework. Arm like this, like you're about to do time, but you're gonna make another one like this. Work. S's. Work. Work. So home, work, or your mom might go to work. Either way it works. There's school. Somebody's got to tell you to go to school. So, flat hands. Almost like nice, but it's not. It's because school is not nice. It's like it's beating nice, you know? No, I'm kidding. School. School. Easy peasy. Your mom might tell you to, or she might tell you you're being bad. Let's say you're bad. So, bad. Good is like thank you, except put your hand out. So, good and bad. Okay, so like last time, I'm going to be putting all the words I taught you today into sentences, and I'll be adding some extras to finish them off. Okay, so first is, Mom went to work at 7 this morning and didn't eat breakfast. Or, my uncle's wife is my aunt. Let's say, my twin sister is sick. Or, my brother is rude. It's true. My cousin is my best friend. Or, last one. Dad said it's time for family dinner. Everyone is coming. Okay, that's all. So, yeah. Like this video, please. I need likes. Wow, that's not really needy. I'm not needy. Yeah. I really hope this helped somebody. Yeah, these are all the family signs. Or at least all the ones I could think of. Okay. Bye. Love y'all.